Hey everybody, I am Mr. B and welcome to the Loft. So, a couple of things we're going to talk about today or see today. The first is, you may have heard me if you've been watching videos talking about the Loft remodel. So we're going to go through that process via video, start to finish. I want to give a huge shout out to the Hamlin group. These guys were absolutely amazing with this product, with this process. And you know, the craftsmanship, communication, all of it was just absolutely professional as F. So if you guys are looking for some work to be done in the Atlanta area, give Chad and Anna over at the Hamlin Group a call and tell them Mr. B sent you, okay? This is not sponsored. The second thing, I just wanted to acknowledge that I'm changing the name of the channel. Mr. B175 was just something that was arbitrary that I created literally years ago to just kind of park, you know, concert footage mostly, various festivals and things like that that I love to go to. I'm not going to say that those types of videos won't make a reappearance once the world returns to normal, but this is primarily a cooking channel, let's face it, and I want to be able to share my love and my passion of food and cooking with you, but I also want to learn from you. So help me grow. Click subscribe, leave comments, give me some tips. If you got a request, let me hear it. I'll try to make it, and if I F it up, then well, I just F it up. Y'all have seen it all before. So with that, without any further ado, let's take a look at this loft remodel, guys. What a bumpy, fun 10 weeks, 8 weeks or so in the middle of a pandemic this was. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the loft renovation project fully commences. I'm about a week out from demo at this point, so I wanted to take a minute to kind of take some before shots, even though I've already kind of sort of started my packing. So I've got to basically pack up as though I was moving because of the demolition that'll be going on, as well as the fact we're putting in a new floor and all that kind of stuff. I'll get into more details as to what is happening a little bit later on. So here is the before. Here's my entryway. This is where I'm starting to accumulate my junk that the junk people need to come pick up. This is just the beginning. La da 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 da, right? This blue line here is the future footprint of my new kitchen. Anyway, we've gotten the books packed up, and this is kind of where I'm going to be storing what stays, right? You know, Jesus, what a fiasco. Couch goes like it should. Looks like it needs to go, doesn't it? Okay, so this is my current kitchen footprint. You guys have seen it in the cooking videos. I've hated it for a long time, but she has served me well. Again, the blue outline will be the new footprint. In addition to that, I'm going to have cabinets and countertop here on this wall going all the way up. And this basically that's on a bias is going to turn and be completely open so that when you actually walk in my front door, this is what you see now. I mean, who the hell thought that was a good idea? But what you're going to basically see when you walk in is this view out my window, which is kind of the centerpiece. All of this is going to kind of give you perspective as to what I want you to see when you walk into my place. So, anywho, today is February 14th, 2020, and the process has begun. It is junk removal day as we prep for the demolition. Oh my God, all this shit's getting out of here. All of it, I don't care. All of it. And this goes, and this ratty ass couch is going, all that stays, because, you know, that's my books and shit. And this stays. Anyway, they've pushed the demolition back for about 9 days, so I was supposed to start Monday, March 9th. Now we are pushed out until Wednesday the 18th. So after that, I think once they actually start tearing this monstrosity up and out, things should tick along pretty good. So stay tuned. I can tell you one thing, the cats are gonna love it when I run the damn vacuum cleaner here in a few minutes. But I tell you what, I already feel so much better. So much better. Well, I was literally at my wit's end, feeling like I was living in an episode of Hoarders. But this is much, much more manageable. I think I can manage through this at this point. You know, what, another 9 days or so before shit starts to go down, kids. Are you having none of it, Ms. Ruby? Just none of it. Okay, today is Friday, April 17th, and we're about 3 days, so they're telling me, from being finished. So this is where we are at. This is the entryway. So when you come around, this is my new kitchen. So we've got, at this point, my new fridge. The stove. This is where the hood is going to be mounted. I've got pull-out garbage with a soft close. Soft close, yes indeed. New dishwasher. One of my favorite things happening right now is this faucet. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Look at that. How cool is that, kids? So we've got, sorry for the mess, but the new countertops with cabinets. Countertops all the way up. The pantry door is going to be going on. These floors are incredible. And then we have the mess. What are you going to do, right? And you can see that's going to be like all dining space. Here's the view from here. I couldn't be more pleased with it at this point. One of the big, wonderful surprises here, first of all, before I get into that, I'm anticipating to be able to sit 8 around here, right? That's the theory anyway. But I'm shocked at how much space this has left me with. So I'm really thinking that a small 4-top table here could very well be a possibility. In any case, at this point, we do not have new lighting up yet. Ceiling fans are not up. You know, some details like, you know, I don't have my shelves yet. Hopefully all of that is coming in the next few days. So we'll see. I can't wait to start unpacking and really cook. So the question I've got to myself is, what am I cooking first? And to be honest with you, I don't know. You guys are going to have to stay tuned and see.